Okay, page number 41. Exercise, back exercise questions. We'll discuss first the back exercise questions. We are through with the chapter. So the first one, Gumti ma'am, you will raise your hand. Explain why some fibers are called synthetic. Jasmilan Singh.
Ma'am, some fibers are called synthetic because these are man-made fibers which are made from chemicals.
They are man-made. They are made by human beings. The raw materials which are used for preparing synthetic fibers are petrochemicals. They are made from chemical substances. They are not obtained from plants and animals.
Yes.
They are not natural. They are artificial, and that is why they are called as synthetic fibers.
Yes, sir.
We have to write down the possible reason why we are answering the question. All right. All right. I hope you have followed Jasmilan and all. But you can write down the answers, scribble the answers with the pencil in your rough notebook or in your, you can write down the hints there. Okay? The second one, mark the correct answer. Rayon is different from synthetic fibers because Mannat ate pink.
It is obtained from wood pulp.
It is obtained from wood pulp. Very good. Second option is right. Fill in the blanks with appropriate words. Synthetic fibers are also called dash or dash fibers. Hazel.
Artificial or man-made fibers.
Very good. Man-made or artificial fibers. Shabash. Next, synthetic fibers are synthesized from raw materials called Harshbir.
Petrochemicals.
Anji?
Petrochemicals.
Petrochemicals, right. Like synthetic fibers, plastic is also a dash. Jatin?
Polymer.
Polymer, shabash. Next question, give examples which indicate that nylon fibers are very strong. You have to give example which indicate that nylon fibers are very strong. I want Sant Singh to answer me. Sant. You have to switch on your video and then you have to answer. I think Sant is not there in the class. Sukhnoor Kaur, my dear, unmute and tell answer.
Synthetic fiber, nylon.
Anji.
Nylon is very strong because it is used to make ropes of parachutes and ropes for mountain climbing.
बिल्कुल ठीक कहा. जो you have the answer on page 33-34. बिल्कुल सही कहा हुआ है. जो parachutes और ropes होते हैं, they are which are used for mountain climbing. Ropes which are used for mountain climbing, making tents, are made up of nylon, and this indicates because these activities, mountain climbing और उसके लिए जो rope use होती है, requires lot of strength in the fiber, even the parachutes, the tents. तो इसीलिए क्योंकि ये बहुत ज्यादा strength required है, it shows that that the nylon fibers are strong. They are made up of nylon and they are strong. You have the answer on page number 33, 34. Okay, next, explain why plastic containers are favored for storing food. Plastic containers को हम use करते हैं for storing food. I want Simmer 8th green. Simmer 8th green.
Ma'am, because the plastic is non-reactive, so it will not react with the.
That plastic is non-reactive. It does not react with the food. It does not react with the water, or it does not react with the air. That is why the first point, why we store food in plastic containers. Second.
So it will not react with the food items.
ये तो हो गया बेटा, नॉन रिएक्टिव विद फूड आइटम्स, बिल्कुल ठीक. दूसरी, एनी अदर पॉइंट?
नो मैम.
नहीं, तो बिल्कुल ठीक, आप और ऐड कर सकते हैं. विल जानवी टेल मी?
Ma'am, it is strong, cheap, light in weight, and easy to handle.
Strong and light. Very good. It is strong and light. Very good. Any other point? Jatin?
Ma'am, it is durable.
It is?
Ma'am, durable.
Durable. Very good. It comes in different sizes, shapes, or colors also. ठीक है ना? Different size, shape, color में भी आता है. So we have so many points we can include. जितने हमने points discuss किए हैं, अब one by one you can go on writing. Don't write it down as a paragraph. Write it down as points. ठीक है? तो recall कर लेते हैं एक बार. Plastic containers जो होते हैं, they are favored for storing food because they do not react with food, air, or water. They are light in weight and they are strong. They come in variety of colors, different sizes and shapes. They are durable. They are cheap. For all these points, we prefer plastic containers for storing food. Very good. The next one, explain the difference between thermosetting and thermoplastic. जब भी आप difference लिख रहे हैं, you have to make 2 columns. Thermosetting इस तरह से आप लिखेंगे. Thermoplastic, the other day also while we were discussing the chapter, we did discuss this point. Thermosetting plastics. So we, as such, आप जैसे जैसे points बताएंगे, we will go on writing. ठीक है? We'll go on writing. First point, Savinay.
Ma'am, thermoplastics is soft, whereas thermosetting plastics is hard.
Hard. Soft. Hard. Very good. Second point. Himanshi. Himanshi, my dear. Okay, I think she's Pratyush Kumar.
Thermoplastic can be bent easily on heating. Thermosetting plastics cannot.
I want Jatin to answer me.
Thermoplastics are linear arranged. Thermosetting plastics are arranged cross-linked.
हाँ जी, आप thermosetting नहीं कहेंगे, monomers कहेंगे. Monomers are, जो monomers thermoplastic में ना, monomers are linearly arranged. And you can draw the diagram, which is given on page number. Arrangement आपको दिखाई हुई है पेज नंबर 36. Figure 3.6, A and B, linear and crossing. आप ये साथ में बनाएंगे और यहाँ पर जो है it is cross-linked. Cross-linked arrangement. And you will draw the figure. Figure 3.6 B part, page 36. All right. Any other point? Any other point for thermosetting and thermoplastics? What about
Yes,
the effect of heat? Janvi, what is the effect of heat on both? Effect of heat on both.
Yes, ma'am.
Effect of heat.
Ma'am, thermoplastic can be molded.
They get deformed. Deformed on heating and can be, यहाँ पर ऐसा नहीं होता है. No effect of heat. ठीक है? There is no effect of heat.
Excuse me, ma'am.
बोलिए बोलिए बेटा जल्दी.
Ma'am, thermoplastic can be bent, whereas thermostatic plastic will break.
Very good. Thermoplastics can be bent easily or forked. They cannot be bent. All right. It in fact breaks on bending. आप ऐसे लिख सकते हैं, breaks on bending. All right. Clear? Any other point?
Ma'am,
And
can we give example?
folded. एक और point हम लिख सकते हैं that they can be. Can you see it? Okay. They can be remolded again and again. ठीक है? क्या हम इनको remold कर सकते हैं? Only once.
No.
Remold it again and again. Clear to all of you? I hope.
Ma'am,
that
can we give examples?
thermoplastics is
Ma'am.
clear.
Ma'am, one more
बोलिए.
point.
Who is it? Okay, next question.
Ma'am, can we give examples?
Thermostat.
Because someone is trying to say something, but maybe the network issues are there. I'm not able, it is not clear to me. So we'll come back to you, or you can write down.
Thermostatic plastic